Well, I was born into it. It's really all I've ever known. It's fun, it's exciting, it can be stressful at times. You know, there's a million moving parts with ready mix business. It definitely keeps you on your toes and keeps your mind sharp. We were formerly Ascension Ready Mix, and then we merged with Quality Concrete, and we do business as Quality Concrete. We're still a family-owned company. We're pretty decent size for our area, but we still consider ourselves mom and pop. You know, we run about 50 mixers, pretty much anywhere in a 45-minute to an hour radius of Baton Rouge. South Louisiana, it's all about relationships here. One of the founders, Gary Dowdy, he used to order all of our mixer trucks. Dan called him, I guess, not long after he went into business. One of the big things that he kind of sold us on was the parts were interchangeable. Whenever we can talk to someone and we feel that they've got our back, that goes a long way. So Gary gave him a shot, and I believe that was in 2008, and we ran some mixers.
So we've been with Contact ever since. That's the only mixer we run. It's been running since 2008, 2009, somewhere in that neighborhood. And we've had good luck with them. I wish, the truck part of it was as reliable as the mixer part. Make my job a lot easier.
We do probably 90% of the state work in Baton Rouge. We've got a very good reputation with that. A lot of commercial contracts. The Contact drums hold up. I mean, they're awesome. Very low maintenance. Kind of the proof is in the pudding. We run them every single day, and they stand up to a ton of abuse. We're definitely able to load them a lot faster. The hoppers being bigger and the way they design the blades and stuff, it takes it in there and it still mixes it well. Fast is one thing, and that's great, and it helps cut down on costs. But we also want to deliver a good product for the customer. So if we can do both, it's a win-win.
Like, we work on the interstate a lot, so you really want to get on there, and that faster discharge really makes a big difference.
Just slump-wise, it saves the driver time on the yard, and the quicker you could, get there, get it off, the better we are. And it's just everything revolves around time in this business, everything.
They do have the low idle where you can rev it up. I can't put it on a normal speed, but you don't have to be as loud. This is a smooth ride with 10 yards. You don't even know you got 10 yards on it.
The simplicity of the controls is really a nice thing. Real pretty, real clean, solid mixer. I like working with it.
It's been very non-eventful when it comes to safety factors with the product.
I like the safety feature on the chute, so you won't get your hand caught up.
Parts is a big part of it. These guys all take care of me. Call and tell them what I need, and they're very knowledgeable, and next day, most time it's here. Just a very good product.
I feel like today's day, people are just trying to make a buck, and they may not make it as good as they possibly could because they want that turnover, and I don't think that's Contact's philosophy at all. There's a reason, Contact has market shares. They never stop innovating. They're always there for you. They're like family to me. It's a really great company. I enjoy doing business with you guys. Look forward to doing it for many years for the future.
Just the people and the product, it's the best out there. That's what it's all about.